right, this is going viral, they tell us. Today we're going to be doing Italian salad, meat, hoagie, grinder, po' boy. You call it what you want, but before we get started, we're going to give a shout out to our sponsor, Citrus Safe, here today. And it's very easy to clean your grills. All you do is you spray a little bit on your grill like that. Simple enough. You take your brush. Citrus Safe provided us with this. We appreciate your support. Just give it a good clean. Whoa, and it smells good. There. Ready for your next grill. And you just take a damp cloth and you finish it up. So when you want to get your grill super clean, ready before your next barbecue, you got to check out Citrus Safe. Yeah, it's good.
All right, you can go.
Oh yeah. Italian salad meat grinder. You gotta check this out. Man, it's gonna be good. All right. Let me get this salad bowl out of the way here. So, cool. Oh. So you layer on some provolone. Mm-hmm. There's a technique to this, isn't there? Oh, yeah. It's like those old school Italian grinders we used to get, right? Oh, man, I'll tell you. You can still find them, but you got to go to a mom and pop shop.
You get the grandma comes out for the back after cooking the sauce.
Yeah. That was always great.
Mm-hmm. For the gravy.
So on goes the hard salami. Oh, yeah. Woo! We got more salami. It looks real pretty. And it looks like we got some ham.
Smoked, right?
Oh,
smoked ham.
Little smoked ham. Now choose your favorite ham for this sandwich, but this really works really well. Oh yeah. Look at that. Lord have mercy. Little cheese. What's that? Grated?
Parmesan cheese.
Grated Parmesan. You all know about that. Now you want to put it on your grill, opposite the hot coal. We're just going to bake it a little bit.
We got to redo it.
Freshen everything up.
All right.
And we'll put the cover on and we'll check back in a few minutes.
Okay.
All right, now the salad part. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. You gotta have the salad, man, to make this right. Oh man, we got some sliced peppers, pickled peppers. You recognize those. Typical Italian. Thin sliced red onion. Oh. Man. Little vinegar. It looks like we got red cider vinegar in there. We want a little bit of that tartness in that sandwich. SPG, of course. You got to have your SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. There we have some, what was the Italian seasoning? It was just oregano, okay. And SPG. And then use your favorite 10-inch blade to do your mixing. It's an all-purpose tool.
I'll eat the salad like that.
Yeah. And if you want your own 10-inch butcher, head on over to our website. Check it out. It's really, we'll make one for you. Oh, perfect. Yep.
A little time to set up.
Nice. Now let the flavors come together for a little bit, of course.
All right.
Take a look at that. Man. Woo-wee. Look at that. Did you hear that crunch? Man. Now there is a sandwich. Grinder. Poor boy. Call it what you want. Call it a sub.
All right, let me get this one
It's
down.
good. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks with them red tomatoes and that white provolone and the salad, the salami. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
We're eating good tonight, Martha. That vinegar, man.
The Italian.
So,
Crazy.
how do we do this?
This is crazy. So the,
Next time,
you're looking. So the next time you're looking for a recipe at your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
all right. See that? Ventriloquist. You see me do that? I could throw my voice. Well done, man. Well done, Brent.
All right.
Awesome, dude. So leave me alone. I'm gonna go sit down.